Hello, hello, fellow stays. It is Morgan, and I am back. It feels like I haven't recorded in a long time, and a week is a long time for me, to be honest. I have had company over for the last week, and my introvert self, I love my friend, but I was like, get the fuck out of my house. It's been 6 days. I need to be alone. I need to react to Stray Kids. And now Mallory is actually in London as well right now. I have no idea when this video will release, but as of September 1st or September 2nd, yeah, she's in London. So I am alone for the next 3 weeks, but it's great because we can sit and react again. I actually just reacted to Two Kids Show episode 1 with Seungmin and Han over on Patreon. That whole series is going to be a Patreon exclusive over there if you would like to join and watch. But I was just fucking like stunned, like actually speechless, especially their duet, them singing Volcano together. Like, holy shit, like actually, wow, why haven't we seen them together before? Excuse me. Y'all been holding out on us. There's like infinite number of pairings that we could be doing for like singing and duets and Stray Kids, but that is one. Like, that is power couple. Dominate everything, okay? Oh yes, I'm ready for this. Arranged by Bang Chan Go Young. First release. Oh, this is live too. I don't think I'm ready for this. Already not ready. Okay, here's the thing. I love Han's voice in this. This is his song. Han Pop, we all know it, but 2 seconds in and I'm already sold on a Seungmin version too. A collab version. His voice is so buttery and beautiful. I need to be up close to watch it. So they have the same voice, like effect on his voice too, which is cool. Ooh. Their voices very much complement each other. Ooh, yes! Harmonize! Their voices meld really nicely into one another. Even Han's like, he's not singing it, I don't want to say differently than the original, but a much more like, I don't know, more relaxed. I don't know how it is. It seems like a little different than the original, and I actually really like this. I don't know. I'm not going to say I like it more or anything, but it's a really nice. Not cadence. I don't know. Like, kind of like lazy. I don't know. No, no, no. It's so good. Okay. Whew. All right. I don't know why I have tears in my eyes, but shit. Not ready. Turn this shit up. Ah! Oh my god, you guys. Sorry, this is literally everything I didn't know that I needed in my life. Like, actually, this is fucking beautiful. I love this part right before, right here where they're singing together. Ah! I love this. And even just singing together on stage is really cool. Just the two of them. Yes! God damn.
You are my volcano.
Ooh. Raspiness? Excuse me? We're re-listening to this whole part. Jesus Christ. Nope, not ready for that one. I could listen to this all day. I don't know. What? It's kind of funny because with the sound effect, that kind of like alienish, like the tinny sound effect on Seungmin's voice, like I almost kind of mistake it for Han's. But it's almost like, when have I heard them both singing like the same lines before? Like, not that their voices are interchangeable, but it's just very like similar in a really good way. I'm really bad at describing like he's hitting all the same notes. Like those last parts of volcano, like that. But like those last parts is where you can really tell like the difference in their like singing voices, because like them hitting the high notes is all like they marry each other very well on that. Kind of speechless. That was fucking amazing. I need to add that to my Spotify, even if I have to rip it from this video. That's how much I love it. I could listen to that all day. Jesus Christ. Is there any other Han Seungmin songs, you guys? I've never... I don't recall. Han Seungmin. Han Seungmin IN. Gone away. Ooh, there is. Respirator. Okay, so it did come out. They did finally release it. Maybe we'll watch that also today. Respirator. Cool. Well, fuck yeah. So, hold on. Chill. Yeah, I need to listen to that too. Sweet Jesus. Okay, well, I guess we're listening to the Sad Pet song. Mentally prepare myself for this one. It's already sad. No. Okay, I might actually have to turn off the lyrics for this because it's just gonna make me cry. You know what, guys? I'm sorry. I'm turning off the lyrics. I will one day react to this with the lyrics, but I don't think I can do that emotionally right now. 눈앞도 잘 보이지 않는 그런 날에 선물같이 내게 온 네가 무의미한 날에 행복이 되었고 하루 종일 네 모습을 바라만 봐도 미소가 무감정한 매일은 내일을 꾸게 한 너야 처음으로 내게 네 손을 건네줬던 그날 눈물이 난 왜 났는지 꼬리를 흔들며 처음으로 내게 있는 이껏 달려올 때 경감 불빛만이 반기는 이곳이 어느새 볕이 좋아졌어 지금 당장 널 볼 수 없지만 They complement each other so well. 네 앞에 섰을 때 그땐 또다시 한 번 더 내게로 힘껏 달려와줘 슬픔의 감정엔 깊게 붙은 I just love watching them sing live. This kind of stuff is so fun to see for me. Just get to see them emote and everything. Oh, in the background. Ooh. Ooh, I really like the beat of the song too. Ooh. Ah, they go so well together. It's a very pretty song, even without lyrics. Oh God. No, not with the vocals in the background. Oh, no. Could not do lyrics for this right now. Ooh, this guitar. Drums. Let's go. Jesus Christ. We'll re-listen to that in a minute. Seungmin, you are capturing my heart today. And Han. Just the stable throughout. Little fist bump. They like crushed it. What the fuck? Hold on. No, I need to listen to this whole part again. It's everything. Fuck Seungmin. Jesus. I really like, actually, how because Han's voice is gorgeous here. And I like how Hans is just very stable throughout this part with Seungmin. He's doing all the ad-libs? I don't know what those are called. Just hitting the notes in the background. Like, Han legit sounds like he's singing an anime OST right now. They're so very different and so good. Makes me anxious how good they are. Not anxious, angry. How dare you? How have I not heard them together before? Well, I know this is probably one of the first times, and their single just got released. We've been missing out, you guys. Bye. They're so fucking cute.